Rider Ramesh Kumar. Dynamic head tracking in kitchen like this.
ಆಪಲ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ವಿವೇಕ್. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲೂ ಡಾಟ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಆಪಲ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿವೇಕ್ ಈಗಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿವೇಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ರಮೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಅಸಲಿ ಈಗ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ವಿವೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್ ವಿವೇಕ್.
I don't know what's inside. I'm too curious to open it. Let's open this here.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, what's inside? Yeah, I'm too curious to know. Let's open this. Oh my god. See.
ವಿವೇಕ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಪಲ್ ಏರ್ಬಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ದು ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Fresh piece of fresh fruit. Laptop fruit is the best, yeah. Let's open this now.
Yeah.
Slowly, but we will make it slowly, okay? Let's remove the sticker from here. Take it.
First Vivek expression, you need to cover this one. Hey Vivek.
See, close. Yeah, the peel is second one. Now we need to. Oh, design in California. That's premium, huh? Let's open this.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
How do you feel?
This really felt amazing, yeah.
Huh?
See the name here.
Oh.
Written Rider Ramesh Kumar, huh? Hey, Rider Ramesh Kumar written here.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god. We keep this aside for a while, huh? Let's see what's inside. There will be C type cable here.
Oh.
Type C to Type C only. So, let's check.
Oh yeah.
Type C to Type C, right?
Yeah.
Type C, Type C. What's inside? Hey, there's section. See? Large, small, extra small. Okay, we need to just keep things close. See to the wire. Oh my god. See the wire quality. It's like so premium. That is USA. Now, our main course is here only. We need to open it. Oh my god, the plastic quality is too good. It's like stars here.
Huh? How do you feel, Vivek?
I feel like I hold a crystal clear diamond
Oh,
inside
wow.
a star, yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's really super premium, guys. You need to buy one. This, guys. And here is single brother. You know what? You should buy these. You know why? Here is two chipset. It's each of it is bird. Oh my god. It feels like it's nothing there when you put. Oh my, super premium. It won't affect your ear. Use it for a longer period of time. It won't hurt you. Has the best chipset H2. It has 2x noise cancellation. Oh, we have the bird. Okay, we have the feature. So हम यहाँ से कर सकते हैं. एक तो volume चेंज सकते हैं up and down. We can change our track from here. We can change our playlist. Has also a tracker. And this case also a tracker. If in case bird has left over somewhere or missing, you can easily track by your phone. Easily cut and pause your or take your calls only through birds. If you long press it, it can active noise cancellation 2x. Too good. It's like super. If you are in somewhere in noisy area, it will like remove all the noise from out where you can't listen anything. But have adaptive audio, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, vibration awareness, dynamic head tracking, dust resistant. IP4 water and sweat resistant. The water and the sweat resistant means it doesn't mean कि you go and drop your earphone directly water. It will die. Okay. It means if you are going to gym and little sweating, it won't affect on your bird. Easily handle training or jogging sweat something. It easily can handle. While doing gym, it won't fall down because of this rubber quality is very good. Fits very well. Case you will get a magnetic strip right behind your case, and if you want to put this case, you can directly in kitchen like this only. If you want to, it can stuck any place of iron. You can sleep magnetic. It will test. With this type C to type C, it will charge soon. It is very fast charging. In this case, if you charge your bird for 1 minute, you will get 1 hour backup. You can continuously listen 1 hour music. If your bird is fully charged, it will give you 6 hours of battery life, and big case it will give you 30 hours of battery life. The final thing on this bird, it will give you 1 year warranty, and if any damage, any issue, you can directly go to Apple Store and they will just replace with a new one. Okay, and you can also warranty with 2499. It will give you total 3 years of its warranty. You can directly replace it from the store.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗು, ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಳೆಯನೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪಲ್ಗೆ ಡೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾನು ವಿವೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಳೆಯನ ಕೈ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಥರ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಒಂದು ರೇಂಜ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪಲ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾನೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮರಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೇಡರ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ,
Subscribe, comment.